Welcome to Hub of Kids PS. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel. Hello friends, kindly like and subscribe to my channel. Today's story is The Greedy Farmer and the Little Bird. Once upon a time, in a row of trees near a lush field, a tiny bird built her nest. Throughout the air she would fly around, pecking at seeds, but when the season changed, her nest became a lively home. That year she laid 4 eggs. She sat on them 4 hours, and finally the eggs hatched into 4 beautiful chicks. The mother bird would fly to the nearby field to fill her stomach and then quickly return to feed her hungry babies with her beak. However, the owner of that field was a small-hearted and greedy farmer. Whenever they saw the tiny bird pecking at the grain in his field, he would fly into a rage. He thought to himself, "I work day and night with all my might to grow these crops, and this rich bird lords my hard work in broad daylight." Obsessed with catching her, the farmer finally managed to trap the bird in a net. He locked her in a cage and set off towards the city of Sikh. Justice for the king. The poor bird beat her head against the bars of the cage, pleading with the farmer to let her go because her children would starve without her. But the cruel farmer refused to listen. On this way, he met a shopkeeper returning from the city. Hearing the bird's cries, the shopkeeper felt pity. "Brother farmer," he said, "you have children too? Please free this bird. In exchange, I will give you a pair of shoes." But the stubborn farmer refused, insisting that only the king should settle the matter. Further along, he met a merchant. He too felt sorry for the bird and offered the farmer 2 bags of jaggeries to release her. The heartless farmer ignored him and finally reached the king's court. When it was his turn to speak, the farmer complained about the bird. The king, wishing to be fair, first offered the farmer gave 5 gold coins to let the bird go. The foolish farmer refused, and the king then offered a large quantity of grain. Still the farmer stayed stubborn, demanding justice. Frustrated by the farmer's greed and stupidity, the king whispered something to his wise minister. The minister turned to the farmer and said, "Farmer, you are not just stubborn, you are a fool. This bird was not stealing from you. She was doing you a favor. She was eating the tiny insect that actually destroyed your crops. You should have been grateful to her." The minister then delivered the king's final judgment. The farmer was sentenced to 1 week in jail for his cruelty and ignorance, and the innocent bird was immediately set free. The farmer stood there regretting his choices. He thought of the 5 gold coins he could have had, releasing the truth of the old saying, "When the birds have eaten the field, what is the use of regretting?" The moral of the story: greed is a curse. Anything in excess, whether it is greed, pride, or even love, can become poison. Never sacrifice someone else's happiness for your own, because a joy built on someone else's tears is worthless. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz.